Good morning. We're here at the airport. We're only like an hour early and there's no one here yet. I don't know if it's the weather. I know that it's a super packed flight. We're stuck in B group, which this is only the second flight we've ever been stuck in B group. And the last time it was a Monday, so maybe that's a trend. Don't fly on Monday unless you're okay with being stuck in B group. So anyway, our flight will leave like at 8:50 and we're here and I'm tired. But I'm ready to get to Florida. This weather here is like 30 degrees. It's so cold. So cold. Alright, we are in Orlando. The flight was uneventful. It was packed full. I don't even want to get into it. It was packed full. Mondays mornings, the worst. But our luggage was the second bag to come off and then like the 10th bag to come off because we have 2 bags. And we got our rental car in like 5 minutes. We got our luggage in 5 minutes. We got our rental car in 5 minutes. That's the quickest we've ever got all of our stuff. Right, Robert?
I think we were supposed to be flying in at this like 12:30, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's 12:30 and we should have, so anyway, it's cool. But Budget did give us the wrong car again, and we don't notice till we're like past, until we're out of checkout, and at that point we're like, whatever, we'll just take the car. So this is the second time Budget has given us the wrong car, and it's fine. It's a nice car. It's not the one we wanted. So Robert will have to do his email magic and get us a credit and maybe a free car for our next trip, because it's getting annoying. They put the car in the wrong spot. They tell you to go to B5 and it's not the right car. And then when you go through the gate, they're like, this isn't the right car, but you're already in the car. You already have your luggage in the car. You just want to get to your hotel. You're like, I'll keep the car. This is the second time they've done this to us. So Robert's gonna have to do his email magic and get us a free car for the next trip. Because I still like Budget. It's quick.
It's very quick. There's not
just
a line.
Whoever parks their cars needs to know what B4 or B5 or C8 is better.
If you use their fast
yeah, we have fast
service.
brake. It is
If you don't
super
use
quick.
fast brake service, their fast brake service, forget it.
Yeah.
You're gonna be sitting up. Wait a while.
We still love Budget, and you know what? They will give him a credit. He's never had a problem whenever he deals with customer service. They're super nice. They'll make it right. We just didn't want to stop right then and there because we've just spent 3 hours on an airplane with kids kicking our back seat. So
yes.
We just wanted to get out of there. So anyway, it's all good. I'm not complaining. I still would totally recommend Budget. This isn't sponsored. I sound like I'm selling Budget. You want to sponsor me, Budget? Thank you. That would be great. But anyway, we are on our way we're actually going to do a couple pit stops and then we're off to our hotel. Look at that. It is the famous Arches. The good kind, not the fast food kind. Alright, so you want to go towards Epcot. Yes. This guy, he wants to
He needs to speed up a little bit if he wants to get over.
Alright, we just got to our room. We are staying in the Beach Club Villas this week for the whole week. No hotel hopping for us. So, isn't that cool? Oh man, we actually have toiletries instead of the recyclable ones. That's cool. So yes, Beach Club Villa. And then it's a nice bed with a couch. I like it. Oh, look, they made a little towel, Mickey towel head, some stuff. So we didn't even have to go to check-in. That was all automated. They just sent us a text. Our room was ready. He was able to check in with the hotel with the phone. So it was really nice because usually check-in takes like 30 minutes. And we have not got our luggage yet. We were just waiting. I want to know how far the room was from the car. Not bad at all. This is our view. This is the room. I really like it. Yeah, Beach Club Villas. Alright, we're walking to our car to get our luggage. Look at these turtles. I don't know if you can see it because of the glare. That turtle is huge. Oh, there's another one. That's 3 of them I see. There's one down there, and there's a third one. These turtles are huge. Spoiled rotten. So we're at Beach Club. That's the pool over there that no one's using because it's like 70 degrees, but it actually feels awesome. To me, it feels like 80. Look, there's turtles over there.
They have like a point on their nose.
I'll have to ask Narissa. Narissa will know. They're not snapping turtles. I don't know, maybe they're. I don't know.
I don't know.
They're pretty big. No, they don't have long tails. I don't think they're snapping turtles. But Robert, did you see the little box ones on the ground sunning themselves?
Better than snakes.
So yeah, we're walking to the car. Danger, alligators and snakes in area. So I'd like to see an alligator from the safety of this high crosswalk that's not near any alligators. Look at those turtles. So our room is really nice. It's just annoying because they text you and say, oh, you can use your wristbands to get into your room. You don't need to come to the front desk. So the wristbands did not work, but luckily they sent Robert a text of an image so he can use that image to open our room. Thank God.
It's in the app.
It's in the app. So we can open our door with the cell phone, because going back up to the front desk and waiting 20 minutes would have been so annoying.
Alligators and snakes.
Yeah. We are at Art Smith's homecoming restaurant, and we had hush puppies with pimento sauce and jalapeno jelly for an appetizer. Alright, we both got the fried chicken dinner. It's what everyone recommends, and we had this last time. So good. We're shopping downtown Disney, and oh my god, I want this purse so bad. It's a Dooney and Burke Mary Poppins. $298. That is beautiful. They have a lot of cool purses. Look at the little wristlets. The little, I don't know what you call that style, but I like them all. So yeah, this shop's my favorite shop. They have all kinds of cool purses and cool dresses that I would never wear, but I like looking at the purses. Here's that wristlet again. Mary Poppins dress. Alright, I saw this last time. This is a Loungefly one. Tiki bird. That Mary Poppins stuff is pretty cool. So many cool purses. Look at this Haunted Mansion necklace. It's the Christian portrait. Ballerina, I love that one. How much is that? Does that say 40? I can't read it upside down. Madame Leota. That's so cool. I already have one of these. I can't remember which style I have. I got one of these Haunted Mansion purses. Villain's dress. Yeah, $39.90. Let me see how. See. I don't even feel like that's good quality. That's like a cord. It's not even metal. Quality is not worth $40, but it is beautiful. It's so lightweight. You can't believe they want $40 for that. Hello. We're actually back in our room. It is now Monday night. Back in our room at Beach Club Villas. We ended up just walking around downtown Disney, and then we went to their guest services at downtown Disney and got new annual passes. And then that's pretty much all we bought besides dinner and annual passes. There was a couple things I liked, but it's just the first day of the trip, so nothing that I just had to have. So I'm gonna wait and see what different merchandise the parks have. And I don't know, 2 annual passes for us was $1,900. So yeah. But it's a lot. We'll get a lot of use out of it. As long as you go for more, 2 trips or whatever, it's well worth it. And also, once you have an annual pass, you get 20% off of merchandise and 10% off of most foods. And so this is like our 3rd time getting an annual pass, and it's definitely worth it if you're gonna go for more than 7 days. And we have, it's good for a year. So yeah, it was well worth it. We were planning on doing it anyway because we want to park hop this trip, and so it was an expense we were prepared for. No big deal. So it was a good day. We actually were gonna go to the outlets, and we did drive to one of the outlets, and it is a holiday, and oh my god, it was crazy crowded. There was absolutely no parking, and downtown Disney was pretty crowded too, but we took a bus from our hotel, so we didn't have to worry about parking. But the Disney outlet, the outlet mall, like everyone was there today, so we weren't able to do that, but when we got here, we went to an arcade, and then, you know, we tried to do the outlets, came back here, checked in, went down to downtown Disney. Now we're in the room, we're just gonna relax and go to bed and get up early. And tomorrow is Epcot. We're here for the art festival, so we will get up early and head over to Epcot in the morning. And I don't know, play it by ear. We can do whatever we want. We have annual passes, so if we get bored at Epcot, we can hop to any of the parks, and I'm sure we'll do that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.